11, 23, 24. We're about to remove the ninebot mini lithium-ion battery pack with 54.3 volts inside. We took out these Allen and I can't quite see what the size is. But anyways, looks like that. Hexagon. Let's go ahead and remove this. Comes out. I heard a little piece of plastic drop out. Okay, looks like this. And something kind of dropped out a little bit. Everything there. Should be something that holds LED, I believe. Well, I don't see anything coming out, so it's intact. So now we just have to figure out which one's positive, which one's negative, and manually jump this. This one is completely dead. There's no electricity in there at all. Throw in a voltmeter. And there's a serial number of 35AEQ151QA0295. Not a serviceable port. Doesn't look like it's coming up too much as in. All right. Let's go ahead and put a voltmeter on this thing. See how many volts we got. We're at 0.2 volts. We're at 0.03 volts, but I get a positive on this side. So we're warning. The right side, which is the red, that's the positive. On the left is the black. Because if you reverse it, you get a negative. This side, you get a negative. All right. So now I need to get my charger, run a wire from there into here. Got to figure which one's positive, which one's negative out of these. Part one. Oh, you got some more information here. There's my serial number. It says China ninebot mini model. That's the model there. Can't read it, so small. 0064 is the serial number.